Hello again, class 3. I hope you are all doing great. So please open your class books and move to unit 15. And it is the last unit on our class book. As usual, here we have some new vocabulary, so we have to study them and we have to learn these words. And actually all of the words are about holiday things. For example, when you have a holiday and you want to travel to another country or to somewhere with your family or maybe with your friends, so at this time you have to pack your bag and you have to take these things with yourself because they are necessary when you go or when you travel to somewhere. Okay, so the words are suitcase, sun cream, towel, soap, shampoo, hairbrush, toothbrush, and toothpaste. Okay, suitcase قولي من تاش suitcase أم جانتا كتوهمو بداية سكاين تري أتواني تيا كوب كيتوا. Okay, you can pack it بيبي تشيتو بيبي لغا خود. To protect your skin, you have to use sun cream. بو أوي كسبست بباريزي. You have to use sun cream. أبي sun cream بكار بيني واتجا خور. Then we have this word which is towel. Okay, for example, when you want to take a shower, after that you have to dry yourself, so you need to use towel. Soap and shampoo, these two things, soap and shampoo, when you want to take a shower you have to use them. Okay, so how can you brush your hair? You have to use hairbrush. So it's necessary to take your hairbrush with yourself when you want to travel to somewhere or when you want to go to a holiday. Okay, after that, how can you protect your teeth? You have to take toothbrush with toothpaste. قولي من ناتوين أمدو أنا بتنيا ببي يكتر بكاريان بينين. Okay, you have to use both of them together. toothbrush بتنيا چی لبكين خو ناتوين بتنيا برشي داماني بيبكين بهمان شيوه toothpaste چی بتنيا إشي خوي ناكاد وكو بيريس أگر toothbrush كان أبي. So all of these things that are necessary when you want to go to a holiday to spend a nice time with your family or with your friends, as I said. So let me read them again. Suitcase, sun cream, towel, soap, shampoo, hairbrush, toothbrush with toothpaste. Okay, so what should you do with these vocabularies? You can rewrite them on your notebooks and please try to put each word into a correct and meaningful sentence. Okay, then if you come down here we have this story. The title is Our Holiday. Our holiday. Here we have 4 pictures. There's a family and they want to go to a holiday. So now let's see what happened and what did they take with themselves. Okay, so now let's watch this story together.
Can't wait to start our holiday.
Come on, Amy. Put your suitcase in the car.
I'm not going to take a suitcase. I've got all my things in my backpack.
Oh, Amy!
Leo, your suitcase is very big. What have you got in it?
My skateboard. I'm going to skateboard every day.
Oh, Leo!
Can you help me with my suitcase, please? Oh, it's very heavy.
I know. Be careful.
Look at all these books.
I'm going to read them on our holiday. Oh, Max, you haven't got any clothes in your suitcase. What are you going to wear?
So, dear students, on the next page, okay, we have this song. The title is I'm going to pack my suitcase. Now let's listen to this song and please try to sing this song while you are listening. Okay,
listen and sing. I'm going to pack my suitcase.
I'm going to to pack my suitcase, I'm going to go away. I'm going to have a great time, I'm going on holiday. I'm going to take some sun cream and also some shampoo. I'm going to take my toothbrush and some toothpaste too. I'm going to take some photos, I'm going to see the sea. I'm going to swim and windsurf, I'm going to water ski.
This means that we have some words that you can find out this sound double O, and actually we learned about this sound. Double O can create long vowel sound U for you in the words. In Kurdish also we have this sound which is long U. So now let me read the words: book, wool, wood, hood, and cook. And actually the meanings are very easy. Except this word, I think wood, it means cloud. قولي من أم كلاوي كبجورك لم جوري جاكتانو بيوينو ساو بكلاو كاو تري هود وبالبم جوري بلوزايا وبم جوري جاكتا أو تريت هودي. Okay, hoodie is hoodie. وبكلاو كتنيا بيو تري hood. Okay, and you can add some more examples, which you can find out long vowel sound و or double O inside the words. Okay, لو شانه أتواني چند دانه کی تبوك وأمانة أتكي بخود كدبل أو تيا كدبل أو جتمان چی معناته long vowel sound يو معناته. When you read them you can feel book, wool. نتوانم لم book كرتي كما no. It's long sound book, wool. Okay, so here we have this chant. Let me read it for you. It's a very cold day. I have got a coat with a hood. I have got my wool scarf and I am feeling good. I am sitting on some wood. I am looking at my book. The book's very good. It tells me how to cook. So, read the chant again. Circle the words with double O. بهمان شوا وقواني تلك كردو معنا أو sound أمر فيروين إكين now circle واتا أو شانا I mean. Then we have another exercise. Complete the words. Listen and check. So now let's complete them. Let's do this exercise together. The first word is cook. What is that picture? It is book. So be double O sound. I can't bonus. You have to complete the word. What we call to this is hood. What about this one? Wool. Wata khuri. And the last one is wood. Wata tahta. Okay. So here it's written, write a word that rhymes. Ale بهمان شیوتوش وشی گلم سپیسیا بنوسه که همان رایمی هبه وات همان دنگیتیا به. باشه قولی من. Book إما أنوسين soon. Okay, example like it wood with noon. Noon it means niwara. E-double-O-N. And soon it means zoo. Okay, you have to come soon. Okay, when you say good afternoon, something like that. So noon it means niwara. Okay, so that's all about double O sound. Now let's move to the workbook because I would like to give you some homeworks there on your workbooks, I mean. So, dear students, open your workbooks and move to page 108. Look, here we have these exercises. Exercise number 1 says, look and write, find the extra word and answer the questions. Here we have this table. You have to complete it. You have to write down these pictures name. Navi amana anusit lera and dozito. It depend on their numbers. Page marakanyan basha kuliman. And then write. You have to put these words to fill these spaces. Boy amana paperkaito and depend their meanings. Okay. Now we have page 109. Just skip this page. Don't do it because it is about grammar, and in the next video we will study about grammar subject. So just skip this page. It's not homework. And on page 110 110. Here we have this exercise and it's about the song. I'm going to pack my suitcase. You have to return these words into these spaces to complete this song. Okay? You can take out or you can use your class book again to complete this song. Then on page 111, 111 I mean, we have lesson for phonics. So we have these exercises and all of them are about double O. Okay, so please try to do this page and it's very easy. So that's about your homeworks. قول لك عيمن أمش فيديو أمرمان واني أمرمان يوام وان سودان لبني به كفوكابلري كان درباري holiday things من أوشتاني كأم أمانة بشين بوغشتي أكو بأطلق بيبين وسانكا كشمان هاد درباري أو أبو lesson for phonics درباري تيبو we learned about double O words واتا أول شاني كدبل O تياك أما بيشتريش في بين double O sound دي long vowel sound human آتي واتا long human آتي. So that's all about today's lesson. Please try to do your homeworks. Okay, please try to practice. So have a nice time and bye bye.